building has a height of 125 meters and a length of 80 meters. On a scale drawing of the building, the height is 25 centimeters. What is the length of the building on the scale drawing in centimeters? So we're working with geometry today. So let's take a look and put it into a proportion, because whenever we're looking at scale drawings, it's a proportional relationship. So first thing we want to look at is the height. Let's look at the height in meters and compare that to the length in meters of what we have in front of us. And on the other side, we'll look at the height in centimeters and then the length in centimeters, so we can compare these two things. So let's move into that. We have our proportion that we just set up, the height in meters over the length in meters over the height in centimeters in the length in centimeters. So again, a building has a height of 125 meters and a length of 80 meters, and on the scale drawing, the building height is 25 centimeters. So we're going to look at the height is 125 meters first. So let's put that into our proportion right where it matches the one we set up. The next thing we'll look at is we're going to look to see the rest of the proportion. So we're looking at a length of 80 meters. We're going to place that in the proportion right where we placed it, and then we're going to move to the height of the building in centimeters and place that where we set up the proportion as well. Now the question mark is going to determine, this is what we're trying to find. This is our intended response we're looking for. So here it is again, 125 meters over 80 meters is equal to 25 centimeters over how many meters? So looking at working through the proportion, let's look at a scale factor. So we're going from 125 to 25. So proportions are multiplication and division. We're going to get smaller, so we're going to divide on this case, and it's in 25, so it's actually a pretty easy number. We're dividing by 5. There's 5 25s in 125. So if we do that across the top in terms of proportionality, proportionalities, our relationships are balanced, so we need to do the same thing at the bottom. So we'll divide 80 by 5. And we get 16. And so 16 is our answer. We're looking for scale factor. It's the importance of using a proportion is such a great way to solve problems, especially in the cases of scaled drawings.